Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about dictionary methods. First we will see what is get. So get method is used to get the value of the given key. So if we have a key value pair in the given dictionary, we want to get the particular key value means we can pass the particular key in the get method. Okay. So for example, we have a dictionary called employee. In that employee, we have some data. Employee name, that is name. So if it is a string input, we have to pass the string quotations. Experience true. So department, sales, again, salary, $30,000. So print employee. Okay. So we have to use the quotes before this ename also. So in this employee information, we want to get the particular data. Employee dot get. Employee dot get. So if you want to get the department, we have to pass the key only in the get method. So we are getting the value for this department, that is sales. The copy. So if you want to copy the entire data from one dictionary to another dictionary, we can go for the copy method. Example. So we have a new dictionary. In that, we want to copy this employee information. Employee dot copy. So if you are trying to print this new dictionary, we will get the same data as employee. Okay, that is the copy. Clear. So clear is used to delete all the item from the given dictionary. If you want to remove all the element from the employee. Employee dot clear. Then run this employee dictionary. We will get only the empty dictionary. All the element from this employee dictionary will be removed. Method is update. So update method is used to update the key value pair to the existing dictionary. Or if you want to combine more than one dictionary to a single dictionary, we can go for this update method. And another method is length. Length method is used to find how many total key value pair we have in the given dictionary. So we have an employee dictionary. We can go for one more dictionary called student. So in student data, we have roll number. So for roll number, we are giving values 1 and name, Lara, standard, 8. So mark 89. So these are all our given key value pair. Now we want to combine these both dictionary. What we are going to do? Print student dot update of employee. So employee dictionary, already we removed all the elements from this dictionary. So we can update new dictionary. So in print statement, we are getting as none. So why we are getting none? Because in student dictionary only, we are adding this new data. Okay. So once we updated, we can print the student dictionary. See, both dictionaries combined. That is update method. And we want to get length of this student. We can use the length. Student of length. Totally we have a 8 key value pairs. So in next video, we will discuss what are the looping concept in Python. Thank you guys.